Hello, welcome again. We are solving IIT physics. The topic is wave optics. Question number 29 is unpolarized light of intensity I is incident on a system of two polarizer A followed by B. The intensity of emergent light is I by 2. If a third polarizer C is placed between A and B, the intensity of emergent light is reduced to I by 3. The angle between the polarizer A and C is theta, then 1 cos theta is equal to 2 by 3 1 raised power 1 by 4, 2 cos theta is equal to 1 by 3 raised power 1 by 4, 3 cos theta is equal to 1 by 3 raised power 1 by 2, 4 cos theta is equal to 2 by 3 raised power 1 by 2. Okay, so here A and B are two polarizers, A followed by B. Okay, and we know that as they are in same alignment, so intensity of the light will be reduced by half when it is passes through A. Okay, so the emergent light intensity from A is I by 2, and when the third polarizer C is placed between A and B, suppose it makes an angle theta with A, then the intensity of emergent ray coming out of C will be I by 2 cos square theta. Okay, and then it will also make an angle theta with respect to B also B. Okay, so intensity will further will be reduced by the multiplication factor of cos square theta through B. So the intensity of emergent ray through B will be I cos square theta cos square theta. Okay, or it will be I by 2 cos 4 theta. So that is equal to I by 3. Okay, so cos 4 theta is equal to 2 by 3. So cos theta is here 2 by 3 raised power 1 by 4, 1 by 2 by 3 raised power 1 by 4. So answer is 1. Next, unpolarized light of intensity I passes through an ideal polarizer A. Another identical polarizer B is placed behind A. The intensity of light beyond B is found to be I by 2. Now another identical polarizer C is placed between A and B. The intensity beyond B is now found to be I by 8. The angle between the polarizers A and C is option 1 is equal to 45 degree, 2 60 degree, 3 0 degree, and 4 30 degree. So same explanation as in previous question, just using last formula I by 2 cos 4 theta is equal to, here it is I by 8. So from this we can theta is equal to 45. Option 1 is the right one. Next, light of wavelength 550 nanometer falls normally on a slit of width 22.10 minus 5 centimeter. The angular position of the second minima from the central maxima will be in radian. Option 1 5 by 4, option 2 5 by 3, 5 by 8, option 3 5 by 12, and option 4 5 by 6. So we know that if angle theta is not small, uh, then the angle theta in terms of wavelength and your slit width is given as n lambda by 8, because it is second minimum. So n is your 2, so sin theta will be your n lambda by 2 lambda by 8, and lambda is your 5 15 minus 9, and a is your 22 2 times minus 5 centimeter or minus 7 meter. So putting the value, that is sin theta will be 0.5 or theta will be 5 by 6 rated. Okay. The formula is sin theta is equal to n lambda by 8. Okay. Next, in a Young's double slit experiment, slits are separated by 0.5 mm, and the screen is placed 150 centimeter away from away. Okay, a beam of light consisting of two wavelengths 650 nanometer and 520 nanometer is used to obtain interference fringes on the screen. The least distance from the common central maximum to the point where the bright fringes due to both the wavelength coincide is option 1 15.6 mm and option 2 1.56 mm, option 3 7.8 mm, option 4 9.75 mm. For the first fringe, because the wavelength of the first fringe is 615 nanometer, the fringe width is lambda 1 d by d. D is the distance between the screen and source, and D is separation between the two slits. Okay. So the fringe width is 650 into 650 number 9, and D is 1.5 meter. Okay, and this is small d is 0.5 and more 0.5 into or 5 into minus 4. Okay, so the fringe width is 1.95 mm. For the second, using the same formula, we have 1.56 mm. Okay. Now both of these can coincide when we use fourth fringe of this, okay, and fifth fringe of this. Okay. So answer is 7.8. Okay. So 4 beta 1, 4 beta 2 will be your third image. 7.8. So at distance 7.8 mm, will bright fringe will appear for both the waves. Next, a single slit of width B is illuminated by a coherent monochromatic light of wavelength lambda if the second and fourth minima of diffraction